Hello, in this video we're gonna check all gestures and motions available for Nokia C21 Plus. So first we'll need to open our settings, navigate all the way down to find the system, go for the gestures, and here we can find all of the system gestures. First one is a swipe fingerprint for notifications, and here you can enable it. And it works like this. You need to pick up your phone. On the back there's a fingerprint sensor, and you can scroll down notifications by sliding down through your fingerprint sensor like this. So let's try that. As you can see, the notification bar opens. Go back, and next one is to jump to camera. To quickly open camera, press the power button twice. Works from any screen, so that would mean it also works on a lock screen. And then now let's double press the power key, and here we can open up the camera. Go back, and next option is prevent ringing, and here if you go for it, you can press power and volume up together to vibrate or mute your phone, and make sure to enable the setting for it. Let's try that. Let's make it vibrate right now, and here we just change to vibration mode. We can also do the mute if you select that one, and that's it for the second option. Then next one is system navigation, and here you can use gesture navigations or free button navigations. So if you prefer buttons, you can see the 3 buttons down below, or if you prefer using your phone without them, you can use the gestures. Next one is to turn over to reject the call, and here enable it. If you have any call incoming, you can turn your phone over like this, and it should reject that call. Next one, mute on pickup, and here when phone call comes in and you pick up your phone, it should mute the ringtone. It won't decline the call, it will only mute it. Next one is power menu, and here we can enable or disable device controls. Show device controls. To access controls for connected devices, hold the power button. And now let's try holding in the power button, and here you can see emergency, power off or restart of your phone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.